Hello world, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm showcasing a really useful library and GitHub repository here called pytube, and what it is used for is downloading YouTube videos directly from Python. Now you might be aware of a very similar project here. It is called YouTube DL, and as you can see it is pretty similar. However, YouTube DL is made they're both made in Python, but it's oriented more towards doing it directly from the command line, whereas pytube is made specifically for integrating it into your Python project. So as always, it is up on PyPy, so you can do pip install pytube and it should be installed. And right now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it. So here we are in the command line, and the first step is obviously going to Python. Now you obviously have to import pytube by doing from pytube import YouTube, you know how it goes. And here you want to write YouTube, and then in brackets you want to provide the URL, that is the URL of the video that you want to download. And now you want to do .streams, because there's actually quite a lot of different sort of variants and formats that you can download this video in. You can download it in MP4, in WebM, and you can download it in various resolutions. So we're going to filter this, and we're going to filter it by being progressive. So just due to compatibility reasons, it is recommended, and also by the file extension. Now this will obviously give you multiple results because there's different resolutions. So what we can do is we can order it by the resolution, very simple. And the way this is sorted is the first element is in the lowest resolution and the last element is in the highest resolution. If you're downloading a video of a higher resolution, it is going to take more time, so I'll download the lower resolution one by doing .first. And obviously we want to download the video, so we'll do .download. Now we can run this command and wait, and after a little while it will give us the location that the video has been downloaded to, and we can go ahead and play it. So I'll play it right here. As you can see, this is the video that we've downloaded. I'll close out of it now. Anyway, I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that is all. Goodbye.